Hi family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selena Zinchak. My channel is about DIY, natural hair and beauty. If that's something that interests you, come on and join the family. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a overnight hot oil aloe vera treatment. As you can see, my hair been in these braids for a very long time now, since we are all quarantined and we are inside. We cannot move under restrictions, so there was no need for me to do my hair. But I think it's time for me to give my hair some love. Tomorrow is my wash day. I normally do hot oil treatments or pre-poo before my wash day, so I decided to do an overnight hot oil treatment. I got my aloe vera oil here. This is the third method. I show you guys 3 different ways to make your aloe vera oil, and this is my favorite method, so I got that here. And I also show you guys how to boost this oil. I already did that and it's in this container. And I got my aloe vera juice. This is almost done, but I got a backup for it. So I'm just going to, I got my hot water down here. Let me just show you guys exactly how I'm going to do it. Normally when I do an overnight treatment, the next day my hair is very soft and very moisturized. It's easy to detangle. I don't have to spend a lot of time detangling my hair. That's why I love to do my pre-poo before doing my shampoo. Sorry about that. I also love to do my hot oil treatment. And this is also very great for your hair. It's very healthy. My hot water, I'm just going to pour some in here. And then I'm going to put my aloe vera juice in this. Let me put that down. And I got another container. Put that in. And I'm going to put my aloe vera oil in that. Okay, while this is getting warm, make sure it is not too hot because you don't want to burn yourself. While that is getting hot, I'm just going to unravel my braids so that it can be easy to just move from sections to sections when I'm applying my treatment to my hair. I'm going to start on this first section. Yeah, it's not hot. Make sure you test your water before applying it to your hair. Make sure it's not too hot. The warm water feels so good on your scalp. Okay, so this section is pretty much drenched in aloe vera juice. Just going to finger detangle a little bit. Now I'm gonna go in with my aloe vera oil. Let me just make sure it's not too hot. Pour some in my hand. Just apply it on my hair. Now I'm going to apply this to directly to my scalp. Section my hair in smaller section, making sure I'm getting my. Ooh, this feels so good on the scalp. Massage that in. Now you can trench your hair. Do not forget your ends, as the oldest part of your hair. It needs all that extra attention. Okay, that section is done. I'm just going to twist. Okay family, so I am done applying my treatment to my hair. I'm going to allow this to dry for an hour, and then I will put my plastic bag on and put my bonnet over it. And tomorrow I will proceed to shampooing my hair, deep condition, and also styling my hair. Let me know if you do a hot oil treatment, if you have ever tried a hot oil treatment and how your hair responded to it. And let me know also if you do pre-poo your hair before going in with your shampoo. If you love this video, can you please give me a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.